I am Mehmet Timurağaoğlu. I am a board member of the Timurağaoğlu organization. Starting from agriculture in the village, we aim to provide healthy products to people by working from the field to the table. We achieve this with our good agricultural practices, which have the potential to create a beautiful Mesopotamia. In 1973, with the idea of transitioning from agriculture to industrialization laid down by my late father and uncle, they laid the foundation for the flour factory. After 2005, we turned the natural, organic, and healthiest wheat that we cultivated in the fields into flour, and we began exporting from our flour factory in 2006. Today, while that factory is still operating, 3 more factories have been established. Today we carried out the export of the 52nd weapon at the Southeast Anatolia Exporters Association. Of course, achieving such successes, being able to grow healthy products for people, and having a storage system are extremely important for us. Especially the storage systems in flour factories led us to meet with Mr. Kürşat in 2006 as we sought ways to deliver these healthy products to people in a healthy manner. We will build a silo. While working on the silos, we will construct for this factory, which was founded in 1973. It turned out to be a very interesting and beautiful project. I would also like to share some anecdotes about that moment. So, how did this happen? Of course, we contacted all the other companies in Turkey. We engaged in dialogue with them, saying that we need silos for such a project. We were going to build a silo. Of course, Mr. Kürşat came and we had a chance to talk one-on-one. What did we do? Their approaches were very different. The suggestions became much more relevant and accurate. Their systematic work, dedicated approaches, and solution-oriented mindset contributed to the development of such plans, which we also found appropriate and welcomed very positively. It was meant to be our first work, started in this way in 2006. Of course, in 2014, we built a second factory. It was again within our organization. It had a capacity of over 20,000 tons. We did that too. It happened again with my silo. Once again, it is also about producing solutions with him. There are loading and unloading groups there. We achieved a capacity of 310 per hour in loading operations. Currently, we are operating with a capacity of 26,600 tons in Timurağaoğlu's industry. With a cleaning group of 200 tons per hour, we cannot currently say that the machine parts will not malfunction. Our machines are working very well. Whenever we have needs and reach out, the teams, especially those from MYS, are always helpful and guide us to the nearest team. First, they prepare the meat for the wedding and can immediately come up with a solution accordingly. We also thank all the teams involved in this matter. So, starting with Mr. Kürşat, how many working groups came with the entire team? How many of them came here to focus solely on their own work, both in terms of installation and manufacturing, without any issues? I mean, we did it once, and then we didn't go back. But it's not that the machine didn't break down. It does break down. It turned out that way. We are also intervening. When we request a part, the part arrives. I mean, their approaches in these matters are truly commendable. More precisely, we currently have a cleaning group with a capacity of 200 tons. that we established in 2017. So far, there have been no issues. Right now, we are not at the critical point. We are only performing maintenance. After completing the annual routine maintenance, we have not experienced any issues. I wish for all teams by the end of May, especially for valuable individuals like Mr. Kurshat, Mr. Serhat, and all of you, to continue working with this dedication and to be prepared as a team to further grow this company worldwide. God willing, we hope to see our company in even better days, in a more prosperous state,